Oh. Do we really need to talk about NBN anymore? Is that a thing? Is that still the hot topic of today? Well, recently again it is. So welcome. Hi, my name is Pat, and this is Tech Talk, or some sort of named show that I'm going to talk about today in this studio that I'm getting up in arms about because I've just built it. I'm really excited about it. In fact, this table is standing on bricks, but it's standing much better than the current NBN situation. So let's get into it, the latest and greatest debacle that's happening today. The NBN is getting upgraded. How fucking exciting! It is gonna be great, it's gonna be fantastic, but it's still not gonna be fiber to the home. It is now gonna be fiber to the curb. Yeah, you heard that right. They're gonna run very nice, very expensive cables to the curb, and then kind of go, well, after that, it's your problem, and the copper cables will take care of that. Subiaco and Ellenbrook are the only two suburbs in WA that have got the NBN to the node, and now are going to get upgraded to the curb. One step at a time, I guess, and don't do the job, right the first time, as you'd expect. So, let's shit on the NBN a little bit more. What else is happening in the country? What other things has the NBN done? Well, WA is going to become the backwater of NBN due to this. Most of the homes in the eastern states have got some sort of fast internet, even if it's ADSL2. In fact, folks who are getting off ADSL2 and going onto the NBN are reporting much slower speeds. In fact, the amount of complaints that have gone to the NBN, or rather to the AAAC, have doubled. One of the things that people don't really look up is the fact that the NBN is a government entity, and it has nothing to do with Telstra, IONET, or any of those folks. The guys who are laying those cables are NBN Co, a government agency, and they're the ones creating problems for the telcos. But hey, you know what? I think it's easier to blame the telcos. In fact, why don't we always blame the telcos for everything? Well, we have, and unfortunately what they've done is put in more shit into their terms and conditions, so now if you don't read it, you're gonna get screwed. In fact, a few things have changed. One of those things is now they don't report the actual speeds you're gonna be getting when you buy your speed package. They're reporting up to, and then in small writing, typical average speeds are about 60 when you buy a 100 package, or when you buy a 50 package, it might be 25. You kind of get the idea here. They're just putting more and more caveats to save their own butt. So what can you do? Well, for now, you're going to have to wait until the NBN Co upgrades you to the curb, and then maybe one day to the premise. And then maybe one day we'll have the speed of Turkmenistan. Do they have better internet? Austria? Austria has better internet. Pretty sure most of Europe has better internet. In fact, most of Europe run on like the 4G network, and they get very good speeds because the coverage is absolutely fantastic. Friends, thank you very much for watching my ramble on the latest and greatest NBN upgrade. This is my new studio. I hope you like it. This has been completely unscripted, and if you look back onto my videos, I'd like to play a game. Which video is scripted and which one is not? Join me next week when I start another shitty playlist of channels and shows. And hi, puppy. This is Vela, and Vela is also letting me know that it's time to go. Guys, I'll leave you with this. Read the terms and conditions next time, and good luck.